Una welcome to the only web development series wey dey internet. For this series, you go learn how to create HTML, CSS and Javascript. Wetin e be, how you go dey use am.
So that by the end of the video like this, as you don watch am, you go understand wetin HTML be, wetin CSS be, wetin JavaScript be. No be even this video, the whole series. You sef you go fit even write your own. You no understand, but you go still know how you fit take hustle. How wetin you fit turn this idea to, wetin you fit turn this new knowledge wey you get. You fit turn am into idea, into something wey be say go fit carry money come your table. Na wetin we dey find. Na why I make this video.
All these things na I go dey share with una for this series. So make we begin the series.
Why you need web development in 2022? You need am because number one, you go get bar, like you go get a very nice paying job, guys. I know they lie. You go cash out your salary bar. It go make sense. Like you dey talk say you fit dey earn money in dollars. Number one, I know be chicken to in dollars. They talk of say you go dey collect your money in a year. If you collect $100,000 in a year, legally, legit, maybe say they go dey pay you, especially if you are very good at it. So now something maybe say you if you train yourself to sabi, and if you good, this industry, the demand is high. Meaning people full ground wey get money wey fit give you like this. You understand? Or if you know to wan work for person, let's say you wan be your own oga, if you start local business now, if you just start local business, if you start your own Facebook if you want, you understand? If you do anything when you want, because technology dey your hand. As that phone dey your hand, as that laptop dey your house, e dey your hand. You gats use am to make money. You gats use your head to cash out. You get age even gone sef. Age no even matter. So if you be 20, if you be 40, if you be 18, if you be 50, 60, as long as say you fit type, enter your Gmail, you fit listen to wetin I dey talk, then everything is all good for this side. So you go fit run am on your own. You get. If you even no get degree, and many people wey fit dey listen to me sef, you fit get degree, you fit no get degree. Even if you no get degree for computer science or computer engineering, you fit still run am. Even if you get degree for teacher work or something, like, education and stuff. Even if you go only primary 6, but you fit spell, you fit read. If you know this code, I know you speak English, oga, nobody go say you go still collect your business, you go still collect your money. Na the schooling be that. That's why I say school no too matter, but na the schooling be that. Now you go school yourself. In fact, e gats go be where be say you go dey learn am and they go dey pay you salary. So you need know where you go stand. You need know wetin you want. If you want am, wetin you need before you start? Wetin you need? Wetin be the tools wey be say you go use am, you go dey change your whole world? Wetin e dey? Wetin go dey use dey change the internet? Wetin go dey use dey change your website? Wetin go dey use dey learn, dey study, dey work? Wetin go dey see every single day? Well, na the tools be this. Na free tools, 100% free. The number one thing wey you go need na small sense. Yes, small sense. You go just need small sense. Maybe say you go dey use am dey think, dey add 1 + 1, 2 + 2. You go dey think to yourself. You know be say you go just dey press like they dey do for film. No, this one no be like film. This one you go dey type well, you go dey type am for hand. You understand? Then you go need good internet connection, because e get sometimes wey be say you go need download something, right? And if you wan download am, if your internet no good, you go frustrate because your attention dey the download. If your attention break like this, your work fit suffer. Also, you need a laptop or a PC. You no need phone. I take God beg you, no carry phone come this hustle. You know what am. You go see many apps wey go dey teach you those things. Now it's fine if you want to use and they jog your memory, they explore, they play around. It's fine. You need laptop or you need computer, PC, desktop, whatever, and you need dey fast enough, like strong enough. You go need download browser. You go need Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, anyone wey you want. But me, I go just recommend say make you use Chrome. You understand? Because Chrome na the best. Na just Chrome everybody dey use, and Chrome na the leading one, na the most popular and all that. Google Chrome. You understand? You go need install them. If you don't get them already for your laptop, you install them. If you get them already, upgrade them, because you go want to be developer. So you go want to make new features. You go want to work with the new features of Chrome. So you go guys to update your browser whenever you can, whenever possible. Nobody say you go to do every time, safe, but you go need to update your browser regularly so that you go see the features where Google don't open for us, for Google Chrome or for Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. You understand? So you go need that one. Now that one go to use they see our work where we they build so our website, right? Now waiting if they use self, they watch me like this. Then secondly, you go need a text editor or code editor. Normally, most people they use VS Code for today world 2022, but if you use Atom, if you use what's it called? Sublime. Than this one here. You fit use Sublime. So I no go dey use Sublime. I don't stop to dey use am tey, but if you use am, if you feel say your lappy too slow or VS Code dey chop your RAM or this, VS Code no too need much RAM. Arrange it. I go teach you everything wey you need do your browser, anything for this web development thing wey I sabi. My job now say make I transfer that knowledge to you so that you sef you fit pick up yourself, you fit arrange yourself, you fit dey cash out, you come dey legit, you come turn big boy for street. Maybe say okay no go dey disturb you again. So how the web dey work? Like how websites they work in the first place. You say you want to learn them, right? But first you gonna need to know how website they work, right? So first thing first, you go come first enter the site where you want to go, right? You want to go, let's say you want to go facebook.com. You can type www.facebook.com. Forget about the HTTPS for now. Make not to worry yourself. That are just the protocol where we go use. Yeah, you understand? The protocol. I go explain all this funky word as time goes on. No worry. All these things. By the time we finish, I go break them down for you. You go understand waiting all this words mean. But first, let's just say we use www.facebook.com. You come type up. When you press enter, boom. Wait till they happen. Now waiting, I want to tell you now. That www.facebook.com we dey call am URL. All right. Now that URL you go come send am to a server on the internet. The server now go come check say shey this www something correct. Maybe the person no make mistake. Maybe it put .go whatever. It go say it go check am if it dey correct. If you see say Facebook dey exist it go come say okay since Facebook exists send this request to the server. When the server now comes to say Facebook dey here now the address of the server. Facebook will come gather all the website information, the data, the username, and your Facebook friend, your profile picture, all those things. You come carry all the information. You will come arrange the information for you. When you arrange it, you come say you go send the format wey you want. Na that time you go come send response to you, and that response dey come as data. The server go come push to your screen. When your screen get am, that na your Google Chrome browser. You go come render am. You go come show am. You go come arrange how you want maybe where you want make something dey left, whether you want make something dey right. You go dey there. You go dey tell you. Okay, you go come show am. You go come display am for you. E dey read the data. E dey transform the data from server to your screen so you go see. So our job now as developers now say now we go come dey write the code. We dey write code with English sef sometimes. When you write and finish, the code will come compile, you go come translate am for the computer. Make the computer dey see 1 and 0. Computer na mumu, you understand? So you gats tell am wetin you want make e do. You no know wetin you go do. Now you go dey tell am. Na so internet or web page. Now so web page dey work. So whenever you do google.com, facebook.com, twitter.com and you don press enter, just remember, keep am for the back of your mind. Say e dey send information, e dey send request, e dey make request and you dey get response. E dey make request, e dey get response. That means say information dey come in, information dey send out. You are making request and you are getting a response from the server. Na so e dey go. The next one wey we come look now wetin come be HTML. HTML stand for hypertext markup language. You know they call it hypertext markup language. The frame, the way the skeleton of something. You know when you see something like skeleton, so make we use a car for example now. This car now, it gets skeleton. You see, this car na Toyota Corolla. the frame of the Toyota Corolla. If I sell you this car, say make you buy am, you no give me 1K sef for this car. You understand? So you need to style the car. You need add tire, you need give am a fizzy, you need make am stand, you need make paint, give am color. You know understand? You go need put what they call am, lights and all those things. You go need put the logo, all those things you go need do. So wetin you need to add that kind thing into your HTML. Na that time CSS go come enter show. As CSS enter, CSS go come put style. CSS, I like think of CSS like this. CSS na makeup. So this skeleton of our car, that we come give am makeup, we come give am body, we come give am frame, we come give am painting, we come tell am say we want add cascading style sheet. CSS na cascading style sheet. CSS na cascading style sheet. How many times I talk am? 3 times. May hear am. Cascading style sheet. Now, this CSS now we dey use the style our HTML. As you dey style the HTML, then you fit even use am sef dey change the text. You fit use am for your website. You fit use am dey change the color. You fit use am dey change the size of your color, everything, the spacing, all those things. You go dey use am dey arrange things for your site. Na so you go dey use am dey arrange yourself. So your car go come stand like this. Now, your car come get body, your car come get shape, your car come be like better car, you come collect better money, you come proud dey smile. But the car go just dey, e no get battery. You go need work. You no understand? You go need way to function. Na that time, JavaScript. So wetin be JavaScript? JavaScript na the most popular programming language right now in 2022. You fit hear Python, you fit hear C#, C++, all those ones. JavaScript now currently the number one. Now, this JavaScript wey we dey look so bad, wetin dey do? E dey let you dey change things for the site. E dey affect your DOM. E dey affect your website. If person click something, na JavaScript go make the thing dey jump. You no understand? Even sef, this video wey you dey watch sef, na JavaScript dey make the video dey show where you dey see the video. Even though HTML fit give you video, they still need JavaScript to, how we go put am, to make am to dey turn. E go dey make the wheel dey turn. So for this case, for this our motor so like this now, na im go make the car dey drive, dey online, dey change gear, dey revise. You know, if you get autopilot sef, na im go down for autopilot, gun sef go dey drive himself. You no understand? All na JavaScript. So no be say JavaScript na all in all the only language wey you fit use for internet or programming language, but na the most popular programming language for the web. And JavaScript don even grow sef from inside web. E don comot enter other things. If you wan make wey be say dey click person, when they click the mouse, you go know. Or you wan dey get the user location, you go do am with JavaScript. You wan know where the person dey browse from, you wan get the person IP location, you wan take person picture, you wan do anything. Most of those things dey done with JavaScript. So in the case of this our car, we go come get better car. We go dey drive, we go dey move, we go sweet.